My name is Dr. Joseph Greco. I'm a dermatologist and Mohs surgeon. I specialize in dermatology, skin cancer, Mohs micrographic and excisional surgery, as well as cosmetic dermatology with hair restoration and regenerative dermatology. The vision of the practice was to work alongside my father and to have that once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, just as he had in working with my grandfather. And I wanted to be able to create that family atmosphere here and extend that to my staff and to my patients, and everybody is going to be treated as family. I've been practicing dermatology and Mohs surgery since 2007. So I went to undergraduate at Cornell University. I graduated there in 1997, then went on to MCP Hahnemann University in Philadelphia for medical school, where I graduated in 2002. I did my dermatology residency also in Philadelphia at Drexel University, and then my Mohs micrographic and surgery fellowship at UCLA from 2006 to 2007. My core beliefs are to be a role model, to believe in yourself and have that confidence in yourself to deliver anything and do anything that you believe you can do, and don't take yourself too seriously. The fundamental core of the practice is being able to deliver exceptional dermatologic care, but there's more to it than that. I want to be able to deliver an overall patient experience. The patient enjoys being here and they look forward to coming back. The staff here is amazing. I love them. They're like family. They're loyal, they're dedicated, they want to be here. I need to make sure that everybody that works here loves what they're doing and they feel that the job that they do is essential and crucial to the practice. It's important for my patients to know that not only am I going to deliver the best possible care that I can, but there is more to it than that. I want to be able to identify every bit of their concern, anxieties and fears that may surround that, and address those. I want to make sure that they know they have access to me so that they don't have to wait long periods of time when they have those concerns. We want to have them be able to see us at any time. Having satisfied patients is the most important thing to me and my practice. We will take every effort to make sure the patient is as comfortable and confident as possible. Come on in, schedule a consultation, and we look forward to seeing you.